Good morning everyone. Welcome to the commerce lecture. In this class we will discuss the another case related to the product method under the partnership fundamental, that is the middle of every month. Middle of every month. So without wasting much of time, come let's go with this problem. Sometimes in the examination what he will do means he will ask you to he will give one question and ask you to calculate all the three cases, that is beginning of every month, middle of every month and the end of every month. So concentrate fully and observe this. You can solve the problem easily within a second. Supriya, a partner. Okay, Supriya, who is the partner here? Supriya, a partner, withdraw regularly how much rupees? 500 rupees. Rupees 500 during the middle of every month. This is very important with the viewpoint of the question. Okay, middle of every month, that is nothing but 15th of every month till the 30th September. This is also very important. Till where she is drawing means 30th September. Interest on drawing is 6% per annum. What is the interest on drawing? 6% per annum. Okay, now we have to calculate the interest on drawing under the product method. Solution: calculation of interest on drawing. First, what we have to take? We have to take the date, same as the beginning of every month. Okay, date. What is the opening date of financial year for the business? Opening date 1/4/2000. What is the date given? Year 19. Okay. Next 1/5/2019 till where? 30th September. During the middle, right? '15th. Okay. 1 means it is beginning. 15 means it is the middle of every month. 15th 7/2019, 15/8/2019, 15/9/2019. That's all. Up to 30th only he has taken the amount. So what is the amount of drawing? Amount of drawing rupees 500 regularly, means every month. 500. See here. 500 regularly. 500, 500, 500, 500. Understanding? Next, what you have to take? Outstanding month. So what will be the outstanding month for the middle of every month? So observe here, you have to take 0.5. In the earlier case you were taking 1, 2, 3 like that, right? Here you will take 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5. Because it is the middle of every month, right? Next, you have to calculate the product. How we will calculate the product? By multiplying with this 2. Calculate here 500 into 5.5. 2750 Next, 500 into 4.5, 2250, that is 2250. 500 into 3.5, 1750, 1750. Next, 500 into 2.5, 1250. Next, 500 into 1.5, 750. Next, 500 into 0.5, 250. Okay, next what you have to do is total this product, total product, add all this, you will get 9000. Okay, then apply the formula of the product method. Interest on drawing is equal to total product into rate divided by 100 into 1 divided by 12. Okay, so what is the total product? 9000. What is the rate of interest? 6% divided by 100 into 1 by 12. Calculate this. 9000 into 6 divided by 100 into 1 by 12, 45. Interest on drawing. Understood? So this is the problem which is related to the middle of every month. Listen here, in case of date you have to take the 15. Okay, amount whatever they have given, the amount that you have to take. Next, outstanding month, go from here 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5. Why we have taken the 0.5 means it is the middle of 1. Okay, next you will get the product. If you multiply this 2, you will get total is 9000.